Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, Grandpapa don't come out from inside hole like snake looking for May Edochie. Why is it that every time we May Edochie they go on a journey, anytime we she travel, anytime she have something to do, that is exactly the time they are always looking for this woman. Very strange. Grandpapa don't come out looking for May Edochie. According to him, he said they have a serious family meeting to settle because waiting day grand now is too strong. So Grandpapa tried to reach out to May Edochie. Like you all know, May Edochie presently is not in Nigeria. So Grandpapa was able to reach out to somebody that can reach out to May Edochie. According to him, he said they get serious family meeting when they won't hold with May Edochie. The last time we checked, May Edochie is no longer part of that family. And May Edochie is not even hiding it. We've not seen anywhere where May Edochie is by forcing herself involving in the Edochie family. We never see her. We've never seen May Edochie going to Grandpapa house, going to see the Grandpapa wife or any family members of the Edochie. Since May Edochie left that marriage, she left with her dignity, with her cap of queen on her head. May Edochie has never involved herself of going to, oh, let me go and greet my father-in-law, greet my mother-in-law, my brothers or sister-in-law. No. The woman just removed herself totally from there. But these people don't want her to drink water, put up for ground at all. Now they are calling her for family meeting. How can an ex-wife be in family meeting? What happened to Juju Ekwensu? Is Juju Ekwensu not part of their family? Why involving May Edochie? This matter go long past wetin we think. Grandpapa reached out to somebody that was able to reach out to May Edochie. According to him, there is fire on the mountain. There is big problem on the ground. Grandpapa say he don't try best. He don't try. He no fit again. Because as I dey talk to una so, if una know the condition of you, una no go drag this man again, no. Just that the man, he deserve the dragging. Why? Because pride too much for your body. Humble yourself. Nobody knows tomorrow. You don't get anything humble. The pride in him, now the chopper they go so. He too they raise up his wings. They lift up himself as if it's something else. Pride now won't fake by this man. Grandpapa said he's fed up. He's tired. He said the debt wey dey una heart neck. This una heart debt wey dey neck. Grandpapa said no be here. He said they owe court money. They owe blessing money. They owe the children court. Those who are there, they owe them money. People where you borrow money from, you don't know what you use money do. The shoe, the better shoe where they see for you leg, and the shoe where May Edochie buy for her. Any better cloth wey you see for your body, na the one wey May Edochie buy for her. If not, the rest na wheelbarrow lace and wheelbarrow cotton so. Now they see you they wear. He say no know wetin you use money do, you borrow money full everywhere. And just for people not to laugh at you or to mock him, he has sold many land just to pay debts. The more they pay, the more debts they come. According to Grandpapa, he said the more they pay, the more people they come. He's borrow me money, borrow me money. And if you ask you say, you don't know what to use the money do. So Grandpapa say at this point, say he's fed up. He's fed up. So Grandpapa right now is calling on May Edochie that they should hold meeting. No matter anything will happen, you still remain the father of May Edochie children. Say make May Edochie remember. Say this is the father of your children. If he go down, his children will go down with him. God forbid. God forbid. Any papa wey won't go down, go down on his own. Any mama wey won't go down, go down on his own. They no carry, me say they born the pikin, say the pikin carry their heads come life. Me say they born the pikin, say they carry the pikin heads come life. Everybody get a head, and everybody get a head we carry come life. Which one be the children will go down? God forbid. God forbid. All those one are old school style. Una they deceive me, Edochie. They work again. God forbid. So Grandpapa is practically saying that you used to remain the father of me Edochie children, which cannot just be ignored and abandoned like that. Now Grandpapa also that was able to reach out to me Edochie through somebody now also said at this point they need to help you to rise up to some points. Because the way you dey now, the papa said now after the divorce, now a condition come critical pass. According to the father, he said the divorce, since when they divorce, now you condition come critical. And to worsen it, every 10 kobo where you they receive now is being monitored, making his condition and situation become worse. So at this point, Grandpapa have called me Edochie. That made me Edochie come, made they think of how to put you for somewhere when only one will continue feel the help himself. According to Grandpapa, the family joint account when he be say may Edochie carry. Grandpapa say make me Edochie consider am, make the share am into two. Then their service make me Edochie still consider am, make he give you even if na 1/4 from that money. According to Grandpapa, he say say his son not contribute anything to this money. He's not dragging with me Edochie that you must give to him. My son contributed. He said they know very well say their son never contributed a dime to the service or the joint account or anything. Now receipts, now they take judge matter. Grandpapa say, but he is begging for just one thing biko. Now him they beg for. He know that you don't have rights to this money. But may Edochie should consider so that this man will start from somewhere. Because the load is on him and his wife right now. Make me Edochie consider if now 1/4 from all these their accounts, their foreign currency account, their Nigeria account, their service account, their family account. He said make me Edochie remove 1/4 from all these accounts. Make it carry give you. May you for take start from somewhere. He said make it not be like say you go by himself one day. Because this man is just walking. It's just like an empty vessel when he dey waka. It be like paper when he dey waka. When breeze we carry, throw away for one place. Now Grandpapa beg me Edochie say biko me Edochie abeg. You have to do something. You can't just fold your hands and let this man, when we let you go like that. Wonder they say shall never end. Una dey hear? So Grandpapa is practically begging me Edochie. Make me Edochie bring money come. Make they take elevate you. To my own point of view. He say make they take help am. Make they take establish am. Make it start from somewhere. So I see it like bringing money from me Edochie to elevate him. Because presently, it dey grant. Person wey debt full in neck. Person wey dey hold money. Person wey be say even the money wey they receive now, it dey under control. That person is totally gone. That person is finished. So me Edochie should bring her money to elevate another woman, boyfriend. I don't get it. So this is what Grandpapa is demanding from me Edochie. That he need a happy hand. Say the brothers of you know what they answer am. None of them will they answer am. They leave am for a problem. He said na he and a wife. He said the other day, people come, not be small thing. They say they won't go buy you. because of money wey you dey owe. Im mama go sell gold, go sell her gold wey be say first daughter suppose carry for inheritance. The mama go sell am when he hear say the way they dey threat say they go buy you if you not pay them their money. Just when they do, she sell her gold, give those people the money. That very day, he begged them, give her time, may go sell gold, may go sell gold. Go find Hausa people sell gold for them. Carry money, give them. So this family is going through a lot because of you. This family, they are going through a lot because of this man. At this point, they've decided that the only solution to you problem now make me Edochie bring money come. Make the elevator to one grade where we say no go need money again. Make it start something important. Because even the Nollywood, when they go art movie, you know the favor again. They say grandpapa call the beg. This time around they are begging me Edochie. Come they tell me Edochie say, if anything come happen to you today, everybody go take guilty. Say if anything happen to you today, may not be like say everybody come they say I wish I know. That I wish I know is a bad language. They should avoid it and help this man. And the only person who will help you now you me Edochie. You are the only one that can save him. You are the only one that can help him. You are the only one that can touch his life. Don't abandon him. Forget what he did. He say no, say you offended you. You do bad thing to you. But at this point, you need our help. As he be say he's still there alive, he need help. May we help him. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end though. Now so grandpapa continue they beg me Edochie. Say make me Edochie consider his son. Wonder shall never end, my people. Before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers. May God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. My lovely fans, don't be small begging. No. Now so grandpapa come begin a beg. May Edochie on the other hand tell grandpapa openly. Tell grandpapa say, you know say she no be double-faced person. She know they do talk for here, talk for there. The way the matter be, and so she tell the talker. May Edochie tell grandpapa, say, grandpapa, I was married to your son. We got married. We stayed together for 18 years of marriage. All those 18 years, there was never a time she called you or cried to you that will help us for money. We have problem. Come and solve our problem. We are financially broke. Our home is scattered. He said she has always managed her home. She has always managed their finances. She has always managed everything in her family. She never cried or complained to anybody. The challenges were always there. It was not all smooth the way people think it is. Marriage is up and down. There are times you will smile. There are times you will cry. There are times you will regret. There are times you will even curse yourself for putting yourself into what they call marriage. So May Edochie said she passed through all this in silence because she never saw it that you people should be responsible for a home created by him, by she and you. She said she solved all the problem. She did, and she did a lot. Wey be say today, she dey ask herself, say, how did she do it? So, May Edochie tell grandpapa, say, until that 18 years, they never cried to you or complained. She never cried to you, or rather, they never cried or complained to you. They live their peaceful life. They manage what they have. They manage what they have. They save what they could save. He say, Grandpapa, the marriage ended. When that marriage ended, everybody waka e own. Everybody waka e own enter inside court. Court make a decision. Not because she stole the money. Not because she wanted to render you useless. Not because he want to make you homeless. But it's her right. How can she have a property that she single-handedly labored, build, and give it to you? How? How is it possible? How can that be even possible? Now body compose Grandpapa. Now me do she call tell Grandpapa say all these years they managed everything. So you want her, everything where she collects, they all belong to her. She labor, she work hard for it. So these things were given to her because they rightfully belong to her. Your son was working. What did he do with this money? You should be asking him. If anything is happening in your son's life today, it is no longer a business. They are not together. They are not in a courtship. They are not in a friendship. They are not in a relationship. They are no longer husband and wife. They are separated. Then why will you bring your matter to her? Is it to provoke her? Me and she say, big or no, Grandpapa. He don't talk this thing. She don't understand why. Una they always they carry you. Matter they come with her. She's a businesswoman. She's busy, trying to survive. Till today, she's still trying to survive. Anywhere you call and say business day, she go shook her head go. She won't see how it be. She won't take the risk. She want to know everything. She said, then why Grandpapa go carry you matter? They call the giver. If you get problem, how is it a problem? How is it a problem? Your son has started life. He should be discussing any problem or situation he is with his partner. That was what she did with him for good 18 years. They are no longer together. Why would she be the one to uplift or upgrade you? Why? Why are you people always looking for who to upgrade him? Give him to whosoever want to upgrade. But she have washed her hand. Anything they have to do with you, it's none of her business. She don't want to hear about them. Talk less of what they are doing. She has moved on. She has moved on. Waiting they happen for you, your life is none of her business. She don't want to know and she don't care to know. Simple. Period. Grandpapa tried to convince me Edochie. He see the way me Edochie they stand. Grandpapa no see no hope for his son. My lovely fans. That Grandpapa could they tell me Edochie, say me Edochie consider her because of her children. Make me Edochie remember. Not be one, not be two, 3 children. Now me Edochie tell Grandpapa say, make Grandpapa never ever number our children. Because if you want to number, start counting for Kambelechuko. I think with that alone, it's better you people don't provoke her. You they count now, you they say 3. Do you know there were 4? What happened to Kambelechuko? You people never still justify her. Now me Edochie tell Grandpapa say, don't ever number my children. You are not in the position to number my children. You see these people, they are looking for who to upgrade their son, who will uplift their son. Make me Edochie can't share money. He say me Edochie can do it. No, we say me Edochie don't have it. He should just help because of the children. This same because of the children, now many women take by for husband house. This same because of the children, now many women too they go through pains and sorrow. They'll say because of the children, now many women till they suffer for husband house. Did the man think because of the children before he destroyed the home? Did the man think because of the children before they give another woman belle? Why is it that it's women that will always think because of the children? Children will not they answer my papa name. Children will be saying that their papa name that they answer. Are those children bearing Aligwe? Is it not Edoshe that they bear? What be me Edoshe business? A mother is always a mother. She will love and cater for her children. But saying because of that same children, may she carry her hard-earned money, go elevate Juju Ekwesu boyfriend. That one a story. Juju Ekwesu should move her bumble. May she go work. May she go work, go find something to they do. Rather than to stand for people keke, they take picture. May she go find something to do with her life. She thinks say to marry man, upgrade them, make her a rich man. Now moi, I been a beans. And Juju Ekwesu, you saw an already made man. You they run, they come. Since when they give you already made man now, see you cannot even keep up. Now you will know that before May Edoshe build that dump head, it was not an easy task for her. Hey, wonder they say shall never end. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.